Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hello students, we are discussing three-dimensional geometry. In three-dimensional geometry, we are discussing concept of planes. Okay. Now already we discussed equation of plane in normal form. First one, equation of plane in normal form, that is a distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay. The normal to the plane and its distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, that is first one. And second model is a point on the plane and normal to the plane is given. Okay. Now third one, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Okay. First of all, if 3 points are collinear, they lie on a line. Okay, they lie on a line. Okay, then there will be infinitely many planes passing through those 3 points. Okay, if 3 points are collinear, there will be infinite number of planes passing through 3 points, 3 collinear points. Okay, suppose R, S, T be 3 non-collinear points here. Here it is given something like this. R, S, T be 3 non-collinear points. Okay, with position vector A bar, B bar, C bar. What it is? OR bar is a vector. Position vector of point R is OR bar is A bar. Okay, position vector of point S, OS bar is B bar. Okay, position vector of point T, OT bar is C bar. Now here if you observe R, S, T, these are 3 non-collinear points. These are 3 non-collinear points with position vectors. OR bar is equal to A bar, OR bar is equal to A bar, and OS bar is B bar, and OT bar is C bar respectively. Okay, but to find out equation of plane, what we need? We need 2 things. Remember, we need direction of the plane. Direction of the plane is determined by its normal. It's normal. Okay, so what we have to know? We have to know the direction ratios of normal to the plane. That is one thing, and a point in the plane. Okay, now OR bar is a position vector of point R, OS bar is position vector of point S, and OT bar is position vector of point T. Okay. What we know, point minus point always gives a vector. Now RS bar, what is RS bar? RS bar in the triangle ORS, what we can write? OR bar plus RS bar gives OS bar. So RS bar is equal to what? RS bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. RS bar is B bar minus A bar. This is a vector. RS bar is a vector. Okay. B bar minus A bar. Next, in the triangle ORT, what we can write? OR bar plus RT bar is OT bar. OR bar plus RT bar is OT bar. Okay. So OR bar is what? A bar plus RT bar is equal to C bar. So RT bar is how much? RT bar is C bar minus A bar. RT bar is C bar minus A bar. So in this plane we have two vectors. In this plane we have two vectors, RS bar and RT bar. In this plane we have two vectors, RS bar and RT bar. Okay. Now cross product of these two. Cross product of RS bar and RT bar. Okay. For example, leave this concept here. For example, if A bar and B bar are two vectors, then A bar cross B bar is a vector perpendicular to the plane generated by A bar and B bar. So similarly, now RS bar and RT bar are two vectors in this plane. Okay, RS bar and RT bar are two vectors in this plane. Then their cross product RS bar cross RT bar is a vector perpendicular to the plane generated by RS bar and RT bar. Nothing but this is a normal to this plane. So RS bar cross RT bar gives normal to the plane. Okay. Now here RS bar and RT bar are two vectors in the plane. Now RS bar cross RT bar is a vector perpendicular to the plane containing RS and T. Okay. RS bar cross RT bar is perpendicular to the plane containing the points R, S and T. So what we have now? We have normal to the plane. RS bar cross RT bar gives a vector normal to the plane generated by R, S and T. So what we have? Normal to the plane we have. Okay. Now in this plane I consider some arbitrary point P with position vector R bar. OP bar is R bar. OP bar is R bar. Okay. Now in the triangle OPR, what we can write? OR bar plus RP bar gives OP bar. OR bar plus RP bar gives OR bar. So nothing but A bar plus RP bar is equal to R bar. So RP bar is equal to how much? R bar minus A bar. Okay. RP bar is equal to R bar minus A bar. Now observe carefully. Now RP bar is a vector in this plane. RP bar is a vector in this plane, and RS bar cross RT bar is perpendicular to this plane. What we have here? RP bar is a vector in this plane, and RS bar cross RT bar is normal to this plane. So what we can write? What we can write is RP bar is perpendicular to RS bar cross RT bar. Okay, RP bar is perpendicular to RS bar cross RT bar. Okay. Now perpendicular means their dot product is 0. Perpendicular means their dot product is equal to 0. Okay. Here what we have? RP bar is perpendicular to RS bar cross RT bar. Okay. Now these two vectors are perpendicular to each other means their dot product is 0. So RP bar dot product with RS bar cross RT bar is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is RP bar? Here we written RP bar is R bar minus A bar. Dot product with RS bar is what? B bar minus A bar. Cross product with RT bar is C bar minus A bar. So R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar cross product with C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. But this is equation of plane in vector form passing through 3 points RS, 3 non-collinear points RST with position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay. So R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar cross product with C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. But here if you observe, here we have dot product as well as a cross product. Okay, R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar cross product with C bar minus A bar. Okay, but this is called scalar triple product. Okay, suppose A bar dot B bar. It is dot product between A bar and B bar. A bar cross B bar. It is cross product between A bar and B bar. Okay. Like that we have triple product. Triple product is not defined every time. Suppose A bar dot B bar cross product with C bar. That is not defined because A bar dot B bar is scalar. Scalar cross product with C bar is not possible. Okay. But A bar cross B bar dot product with C bar, because A bar cross B bar in bracket, A bar cross B bar is a vector, dot product with a vector is possible. Okay. But this kind of vector, this kind is called scalar triple product. Okay. Scalar triple product. Okay. R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar cross product with C bar minus A bar is equal to 0. Okay. This is equation of plane in vector form. Next Cartesian form. Here R, S, T, these are 3 points. Okay. Now coordinates of these points I'll consider as x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Okay. Let x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 be the coordinates of the points R, S and T respectively. Okay. Now x, y, z be the coordinates of any arbitrary point on the plane P. Okay, P be any arbitrary point. My R, S and T, these are 3 given points. Okay, P is any arbitrary point. Its coordinates are x, y, z. Okay. So equation of plane in Cartesian form passing through 3 non-collinear points. But it is nothing but R bar minus A bar. What we get? R bar minus A bar. R bar minus A bar is nothing but x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap equal to 0. Okay. Next, what else we have? B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar is nothing but x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap equal to 0. Okay. And C bar minus A bar is x3 minus x1 I cap plus y3 minus y1 j cap plus z3 minus z1 k cap equal to 0. Okay. But then scalar triple product is nothing but determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 in Cartesian form is given by determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points in Cartesian form. Okay, which is the equation of plane in Cartesian form passing through 3 non-collinear points R x1, y1, z1, S x2, y2, z2 and T x3, y3, z3. Okay. Next, I will discuss one example on this model. Find equation of plane passing through the points R 2, 5, minus 3, S minus 2, minus 3, 5 and T 5, 3, minus 3. Okay. My 3 points given R, S and T. Okay. Equation of plane passing through these 3 points we have to find. Equation of plane passing through these 3 points. Okay. Now here point R is 2, 5, minus 3. Its position vector of this point I will consider as A bar. Okay. This is point S. Its position vector I will consider as B bar. Okay. This is point T. Its position vector I will consider as C bar. Okay. Let A bar, B bar and C bar be the position vectors of the points R, S and T respectively. Okay. So OR bar is nothing but A bar. What we can write? 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. Okay. Now position vector of point S, OS bar, that is B bar is equal to what we get? Minus 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap. And OT bar is C bar, that position vector is 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap. Okay. Therefore, the vector equation of plane passing through the points A bar, B bar and C bar is given by what is the formula? Ma? R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar cross product with C bar minus A bar equal to 0. Now R bar minus A bar, what is A bar? 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. R bar minus A bar dot product with B bar minus A bar. So first of all, I'll calculate B bar minus A bar. Now B bar is this vector and A bar is this vector. Now B bar minus A bar is how much? Minus 2i cap, minus 2i cap, minus 4i cap, minus 3j cap, minus 5j cap, minus 8k cap. 5k cap, minus of minus plus 3k cap, total 8k cap. So B bar minus A bar is how much? B bar minus A bar is minus 4i cap, minus 8j cap, plus 8k cap. This is B bar minus A bar. Okay. Next, C bar minus A bar. What is C bar? Ma? C bar is 5i cap plus 3j cap minus 3k cap. A bar is 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. Their subtraction. C bar minus A bar is 5i minus 2i, 3i, 3i cap, 3j minus 5j, minus 2j, so minus 2j cap, minus 3k, minus of minus plus 3k, 0. So C bar minus A bar is 3i cap minus 2j cap. So what is equation of plane, vector equation of plane here? R bar minus 2i cap plus 5j cap minus 3k cap. Dot product with B bar minus A bar is minus 4i cap minus 8j cap plus 8k cap. Cross product with C bar minus A bar is a 3i cap minus 2j cap is equal to 0. Okay, this is vector equation of plane. Now corresponding Cartesian equation. So what we can write here, x1 y1 z1 is 2 5 minus 3. x1 y1 z1 is 2 5 minus 3. x2 y2 z2 is minus 2 minus 3 5 and x3 y3 z3 is 5 3 minus 3. So Cartesian equation of plane is what? Determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 equal to 0. So that is determinant of x minus x1. x1 is how much? x1 y1 z1 is 2 5 minus 3. So x minus 2 y minus y1 y minus 5 z minus z1 z minus minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 x2 minus x minus 2 y minus 5 z plus 3. Next, x2 minus x1, x2 y2 z2 is minus 2 minus 3 5. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 and z2 minus z1 5 plus 3. Okay. Next row, x3 minus x1. Here x3 y3 z3 is what? 5 3 minus 3. So 5 minus 2, 3 minus 5 and minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So what we get? Determinant of x minus 2 y minus 5 z plus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 5 plus 3 8. Here 5 minus 2 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 3 minus 3 plus 3 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Well, now if you observe second row, every term is multiple of 4 or minus 4. Okay. So from second row I'll take minus 4 common. Okay. From second row I'll take minus 4 common. So what we get? Minus 4 into determinant of x minus 2 y minus 5 z plus 3. Okay. 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 2 0 equal to 0. Now this is product 0 means minus 4 is non-zero. So this determinant has to be 0. So this determinant has to be 0. Now if you calculate this determinant, x minus 2 into first row first column close 2 into 0 0 minus minus 2 into minus 2 4. Okay. 0 minus 4 minus y minus 5 into first row and second column closed 1 into 0 0 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus of minus plus 6. So 6 into y minus 5 minus 6 into y minus 5 plus z plus 3 into first row third column close 1 into minus 2 minus 3 into 2 6. Okay. Minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8 no. Okay, so what we have here, minus 4 into x minus 2 minus 6 into y minus 5 minus 8 into z plus 3 equal to 0. Now here every term is multiple of minus 2, so I'll take minus 2 common. So minus 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into y minus 5 plus 4 into z plus 3 equal to 0. So this is a minus 2 cross multiply this side. So after simplification, what we have, 2x minus 4, 3y minus 15, 4z plus 12 equal to 0. So 2x plus 3y plus 4z, how much might is minus 19 plus 12 equal to minus 19 plus 12, that is minus 7. No? So what is the final answer? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is equation of plane in Cartesian form. This is equation of plane in Cartesian form. Okay. Next concept, intercept form of equation of plane. Intercept form of equation of plane. Intercept form of equation of plane. Okay. Now here equation of plane, general form of equation of plane is what? Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Okay. Okay, let the equation of plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here d is non-zero. D is non-zero. D is non-zero. Now intercept form is what is some, they'll give some x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept. Okay. Let plane makes intercept A, B, C on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Means intercept, x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B and z-intercept is C. Means plane cut x-axis at A0, 0, x-axis at A0, 0 and y-axis at 0, B0 and z-axis at 0, 0, C. Okay. Plane cut x-axis at A0, 0, y-axis at 0, B0 and z-axis at 0, 0, C. Means what it is meaning? A0, 0 lies on the plane, 0, B0 lies on the plane and 0, 0, C lies on the plane. By substituting A0, 0 in the plane equation, so what we get, in place of x substitute A, in place of y 0, in place of z 0. So what we get from 1? A into small a plus d equal to 0. So capital A is equal to how much? Minus d by A. Similarly, by substituting 0 B0 in plane, what we get? Capital B is equal to minus d by B. Similarly, capital C is equal to minus d by C. Okay, now substituting capital A value, capital B value and capital C value in 1. So what we get? Minus d by A into x plus minus d by B into y minus d by C into z plus d equal to 0. Okay, writing these three terms this side and taking d common. So what we have? D into x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to d. Cancel d on both sides. So what we have? X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. This is equation of plane in intercept form. When x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b and z-intercept is c, equation of plane in intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. This is somewhat similar to what we have equation of line in intercept form. Okay, when x-intercept is a and y-intercept is b, equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Okay. So when x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b and z-intercept is c, equation of plane in intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. Okay. Now we will discuss one example problem on this model. Example 19. Find equation of plane with intercept 2, 3 and 4 on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis respectively. Now what is given? X-intercept is given as 2, y-intercept is given as 3 and z-intercept is given as 4. We have to find equation of plane in intercept form. We have to find equation of plane. Okay. Now equation of plane in intercept form is what? X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. Okay, where a is x-intercept, b is y-intercept and c is z-intercept. So what values are given here? So a value is given as 2, a value given as 2, x-intercept is given as 2, y-intercept is given as 3, b value 3 and z-intercept is given as 4, c value 4, a2, b3, c 4. Okay. By substituting a value, b value, c value, here what we get? Okay, x upon 2 plus y upon 3 plus z upon 4 is equal to 1. Now take LCM. LCM of 2, 3, 4 is how much? 12. Okay, so 6x plus 4y plus 3z upon 12 is equal to 1. So if you cross multiply 12 this side, required equation of plane is 6x plus 4y plus 3z is equal to 12. Okay, this is the required equation of plane. Okay, I'll conclude up to here. We'll continue remaining concepts in next class. Thank you.